Welcome to Libre Computers, where learning is fun. In today's class we will be learning Excel. Excel is a spreadsheet program. It is used to record and analyze numeric data. The file you create using Excel is known as a workbook. A workbook can have many worksheets. The workbook, when saved, will have an extension .xlsx. Topics to be covered in this video: how to input your data, how to format your data, how to work with formulas, how to save your workbook. To open Excel, click on Windows icon and click on Excel. As you open Excel, you can see on the left side, Recently Saved Workbooks. On the right side, there are many different templates. Templates help to create some professional-looking workbook. Best way to learn is to start with a blank workbook. The top bar is known as title bar. Right-hand side will display close, restore down, and minimize option. Left-hand side is known as Quick Access toolbar. Below the title bar, tabs will display. Under tabs are known as ribbon. Ribbons are divided into groups. Each groups contains commands. This box is known as name box. Next to that you have formula bar. Worksheet is divided into rows and columns. Verticals are column, horizontals are rows. Intersection of row and column is known as cell. Within the workbook, by default there will be one worksheet. You can rename the worksheet. Click on plus sign to insert new worksheet. Right-click and click on Delete to delete the worksheet. Right-click and click on Tab Color to fill the color. Minimum zooming level is 10% and maximum is 400%. There are three different views in Excel: normal view, page layout view, and page break preview. By default you get normal view. Let's start entering data. Select the first cell and type A, press Tab key on the keyboard to select the next cell. To insert column, select the first column, right-click and click on Insert. To insert row, select the first row, right-click and click on Insert. To delete row, select the row, right-click and click on Delete. In Excel, if the data is in series, you can always auto-fill the data. Example, serial number. Enter 1 and 2. Select both the cells, move your cursor to the corner, cursor will change to plus sign, drag it till where you want to fill the data. To delete the column, select the column, right-click and click on Delete. Let's start with lesson 1. In Excel, formula will always start with equals to and plus sign. Let's calculate a plus b. First put equals to sign, select the first number which you want to add. Automatically cell address will display. Put plus sign, and then, select the second number, press enter. You will get your answer. Only once you have to enter the formula. You can copy-paste the same formula. There are many ways to copy the formula. First, move your cursor to corner of the cell where you have entered the formula and drag it. Second, select cell where you want to fill, click on Home tab, Fill, Series, and click on Autofill command. Select cell where you want to fill, click on Home tab, Fill, Series, and click on Autofill command. Let's learn how to format the data. To change the font style, select the data, click on Home tab, select the font style. Font size. B stands for bold, I stands for italic, and U stands for underline. You can apply fill color and font color. There are 6 alignments in Excel: left, center, right, bottom, middle, and top. You can increase and decrease the decimal points by going under Home tab, Number Group, and click on the icons. To calculate the column total, we will use sum function. Type the formula, equal to sum open bracket, select the range and close the bracket. Another way to calculate the total is: select the range, select one extra row, click on Home tab, Editing Group, and click on Auto Sum. Apply border style. To print the worksheet, click on File tab, and click on Print. Specify the number of copies, select the printer. page orientation, page size, and margin. Save the workbook, click on File tab, click on Save As, browse, select the location, give the file name, and click on Save. In this lesson you have learnt how to open Excel and enter data. The parts of the screen, like menu bar, ribbon, formula bar, formatting your data, entering formulas, saving your workbook. Thank you for watching our video. Like, share, and subscribe our channel.